Morning. This is the Dr. Dagal Venkateswar Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, PR Government College, Kakinada. Presently, I would like to explain role of the financial manager. Role of the financial manager. Role of the financial manager, importance to discuss here. You can see this observation. He is a working a financial manager. Financial manager thinking how to collect the finance, how to consumption of the finance. How to collect the finance means collect the finance from the various sources, equity shareholders, from preference shareholders, and debentures and debt from banks, financial institutions, non-financial institutions, and retaining profits or fluffing profits or blocking profits. So financial manager always thinking value of the firm, increase of the value of the firm in the present scenario. So here he is time to time update the financial knowledge, update the financial new innovations in the world. So he is particularly thinking financial dimensions, new ideas. Okay. So my dear commerce students or MBA management students also thinking financial manager activities. Why financial manager activities thinking? So financial manager control overall organization, whole organization controlled by the financial manager. So in this, for example, here some example, one of the X organization. The X organization take up various departments also there. Marketing department, production department, okay, human resource management department, research department. So this type of departments depends upon the financial manager. Why depends upon the financial manager? Financial manager prepare the budget and allocate to the funds to the various departments. He managed all departments and allocated or distribute the financial funds. So here, my dear management students and commerce students, financial manager activities observed it. The modern enterprise, the finance manager occupies a key position. Yes, he or she play vital position in this business organization or manufacturing industry. He being one of the dynamic member of a corporate managerial team. He or she is one of the member in the top management team. His role is become more and more pervasive and significant in solving complex managerial problems. Traditionally, the role of a finance manager was confined to raising funds from a number of sources. But due to recent developments in the socio-economic and the political scenario throughout the world, he is placed in a central position in this organization. Big or small, economical organizations or manufacturing organizations depends upon a efficient financial manager. So he plays a vital role and a central position occupied in this business organization. So he is a responsible or accountable for shaping the fortunes of the enterprise and is involved in the most vital decision of the allocation of the capital, like mergers, acquisitions, etc. A finance manager, as other members of the corporate team, cannot be averse to the past developments around him and has to take note of the changes in order to take relevant steps in view of the dynamic changes in circumstances. The financial manager shaping of the business organization, he has prepared financial plan in the manufacturing industry or enterprise. So he takes good decision making in this business organization. And the nature of the financial manager job. So here the nature of job of an accountant and finance manager is a different. An accountant job is primarily to record the business transactions, prepare financial statements showing results of the organization for a given a period. It's a financial condition at a given point of time. He is to record the various happenings in monetary terms to ensure that assets, liabilities, incomes, and revenues or expenses are properly grouped, classified, and disclosed in the financial statements. Accountant is not a concern with the management of funds. That is a specialized task, and in the modern times of a complex one, the finance manager or controller has a task entirely different from that of an accountant. He is to manage funds. Some of the important decisions as regards finance are as follows. Yes, financial manager nature job, he examined and he recorded various financial matters, financial issues, financial documentary like this. So, and he prepared the financial statements and showing the results and before the board of members and shareholders. So here he has time to time understand monetary policies, capital market policies, and he has a good knowledge in a particular accounting knowledge and tax knowledge also. So it is a specialized task in the business organization. Nature of the job, it is a very special and dynamic importance given to the financial manager. Financial manager take a decision making, good decision making. So this good decision making helps to various interested parties, debtors, equity shareholders, management authorities, judicial government, tax department, consumers, and like this. Okay. So role of the financial manager. So I am discussing one by one here. My dear MBA students and MCOM students, you are going to financial manager job or a task working any organization. These are 8 factors very important. Okay, so you concentration one by one. Okay, now estimating the requirements of the funds. The financial manager estimating the requirements of funds. A business requires funds for long-term purposes, investment in fixed assets and so on. A careful estimation of such a funds is required to be made. An assessment has to be made regarding requirements of the working capital involving estimation of the amount of funds blocked in current assets and that likely to be generated for short periods through current liabilities. Forecasting the requirements funds is done. So financial manager after careful examination in the organization then estimate the requirements of the funds. So the financial manager mostly depends upon the working capital management. Okay, and the second one is decision regarding capital structure. Very important factor now, capital structure. Any manufacturing industry depends upon the capital structure. My dear commerce students, what is the meaning of the capital structure? So here capital structure mean debt plus equity, also known as a capital structure. Any business organization depends upon the debt plus equity. Debt is a high plus equity also low. It is a very important. Okay, balanced capital structure maintain the business organization. So financial manager, he has prepared the good capital structure in the business organization. Once the requirements of the funds is estimated, a decision regarding various sources from where the funds would be raised is to be taken. A proper mix of the various sources is to be worked out. Each source of funds involves different issues for consideration. The finance manager has to carefully look into the existing capital structure and see how the various proposals of raising funds will affect it. He is to maintain a proper balance between long-term and short-term funds. My dear students, so the last point is very important. As you are working in a financial manager, to maintain a proper balance between long-term and short-term funds. Short-term funds and long-term funds estimated by the financial manager. And third one is decision is investment. So here funds procured from the different sources have to be invested in a various kinds of assets. Long-term funds are used in a project for a fixed and also current assets. The investment of funds in a project is to be made after careful assessment of various projects through capital budgeting. A part of long-term funds is also to be kept for financing working capital requirements. The financial manager always thinking working capital requirements. Working capital time to time meet the expenses for helping. So here asset management policies are to be laid down regarding various items of the current assets. Inventory policy is to be determined by the production and the finance manager, while keeping in mind the requirement of the production and the future price estimations, of raw material and availability of funds. The financial manager always thinking capital budgeting, working capital management, inventory management also. Very important three things in the investment decision making. And dividend decision. The finance manager is concerned with the decision to pay or declare dividend. The dividend declare decision depends upon the efficient financial manager. He is to assist the top management or owners in deciding as to what amount of dividend should be paid to the shareholders and what amount be retained by the company. It involves a large number of considerations. The principal function of a finance manager relates to decisions regarding procurement, investment, and dividends. So here, dividend decision is very important. Dividend policies, dividend theories also very important. The financial manager time to time update the dividend policies knowledge and companies act. So and here a dividend compulsory paid to the shareholders very important. If you are paid the dividend shareholders, that indicates that the organization is very good results coming. So dividend decision depends upon the efficient good performance financial manager. Also financial manager priority given to the dividend decision making process. And supply of the funds to all parts of the organization or cash management. Cash management very important. Financial manager priority given to next cash management. The finance manager has to ensure or make sure that all sections, branches, factories, units or departments of the organization are supplied with adequate funds. An adequate supply of cash at all points of time is absolutely essential for the smooth flow of business operations. Even if one of the many branches is short of funds, the whole business may be in dangerous. So here the financial manager also take responsibility to the cash management. Okay, next slide is evaluating financial performance. The financial manager evaluation of the financial performance in the manufacturing industry, management control systems are usually based on the financial analysis. Example, ROI, return on investment system of divisional control. A finance manager has to constantly review of the financial performance of various units of the organization. The analysis of the financial performance helps the management for the assessing how to funds are utilized in the various divisions and what can be done to improve it. Financial manager main important step also here. One is evaluating and controlling of the funds in the business organization. So he has used several techniques in the manufacturing industries. Return on investment, system of divisional control. The financial manager specially examine the financial activities. So here he has financial analysis and examine, then financial performance tells about to management authorities. Okay, ROI is the best technique in the business organization. And financial negotiations. Then role of the financial manager given to the priority financial negotiations also. Financial managers measure time or majority time is utilized in carrying out negotiations with the financial institutions, banks, and public depositors. He has to furnish a lot of information to these institutions and persons in order to ensure that the raising of the funds is within the statutes. Negotiation for outside financing often requires specialized skills. Financial manager has a good financial skills for financial negotiations also. So keeping in touch with the stock exchange quotations and the behavior of share prices, it involves analysis of major trends in the stock market and judging their impact on share prices of the company shares. Financial manager time to time update the capital market knowledge and money market knowledge also. So then time to time he has learned the particularly capital markets knowledge and monetary policies knowledge, time to time changes policies. So he or she working as a financial manager, time to time the update the knowledge. So after that, financial manager, he has taken 5 steps in the business organization. Definitely, the business organization sound in present scenario. My dear commerce students, you are working in the financial manager task. This time you can use 8 steps understanding thoroughly. Thank you one and all. Okay.